Today at Otakon, there's been a storm of a breakout today. More than 50 casualties in the line of fire. Everyone is outside, no one inside.
As you can see here, we have girls dancing. Oh, they do the chop-chop slide! Oh! Cha-cha real smooth.
Oh yeah, you're fine. Go ahead.
Let's go to work. To the left. Now, as you can see here, it's crazy pandemonium right here. Someone pulled the fire alarm or something like that. Oh, we got some mechas here. Are they going to solve the problem? I don't know. But this looks crazy. Just people everywhere. They don't know where to go. We can't go inside. We're stuck outside. This cosplay is burning in this crazy heat. Even Kamina don't even know what's going on here. What the fuck? This is crazy. They're backing us all up. We can't even go any further. They're back. Look at this huge
Sheer pandemonium is going on right here.
Hey, that place is no stopping.
No. This is crazy. This is literally
Absolutely
madness.
bloody crazy.
Crazy. It's insane. Who's responsible? I say straight over there.
I did text you.
This is crazy. Holy moly.
That's because I don't think you received my text.
Oh my god. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This is horrible. It's horrible. It's bullshit. This is the first time I've seen this happen.
And so like
Oh, that's kind of sick though. That dude's kind of sick.
everyone's outside.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
You see it here, folks. This is live. Convention Center is closed for the next hour. It's like this. I guess so. You might as well go get something to eat now. Go to the Cheese Puff Factory. Oh, you heard it here, folks. Baltimore 20 cents.